Hello guys, this is Jack bringing you back another YouTube video. Today we're going to be discussing and I'm going to be showing you the products that are the best value for money on a £750 gaming PC. So first we've gone with the LG Electronics 24 times speed DVD writer. It's an internal drive. Very good just for installing the operating system. I generally download Steam games. I don't really use the DVD writer for anything else. So yeah. So next we got the Samsung A40 EVO 120GB 2.5-inch basic SATA solid state drive. I use this for mainly the operating system, just to boot up a bit quicker and put some games in there as well. Now this build does include Microsoft Windows 8. You can put Windows 7 on it if you like, it's entirely up to you. I just prefer Windows 8. Obviously this is the OEM, the DVD drive version of it, so we can install it. Next we've gone with the 2GB NVIDIA GTX 650 Ti Boost Edition PCI Express graphics card. This is an all-round beast graphics card. That is a beast, and obviously it comes with a it's interrogated first with 1024 GDR5 memory and 128-bit memory interface, so it's a very good card overall, guys. Then we've got the Corsair Builder Series CXM 750 modular 80 plus bronze certified ATX EPS PSU. Now this is very good PSU as it's modular. We can use the wires that we want. This is the Corsair Cabridge Series 300R CC 90 110 17 WW windowed gaming case, and it's in black. You can have the white one if you want for an extra $2 or £2. Same thing really. But yep. Then we've got the Western Digital 1TB internal drive. It's Caviar Blue 3.5 inch. This will fit in your standard bay in the case. So then we got the ASRock 970 Extreme motherboard. It's a very good motherboard. It takes up to 64GB of RAM. It's DDR3 and it's AMD socket, which is a very good motherboard. Then we got the Corsair Veganance 2x4GB, so that makes 8GB, 16 MHz CL9 RAM. Very good RAM, guys, for editing, anything like that. Next we have got the AMD FX 8350 Black Edition 8-core processor. You do need an 8-core processor because future games and games now, most of them are utilizing 8 cores, and this is Black Edition, so we can overclock it. So guys, that is the end of this build video. Join me next week for a £1,000 build video. Cheers guys, and I'm out.